Marion County's mask mandate ended today for at least people who are around the city who are fully vaccinated.
Yeah, but this doesn't mean that you should ditch your mask altogether. As our Mary Mills tells us, businesses can still require you to wear one.
Pat Sullivan relieved to finally remove his "Please wear a mask" signs from his hardware store on North Keystone.
Everybody has a different feeling about the mask, and businesses were put in this awkward position of really enforcing the mandate of the county.
Even though those not fully vaccinated are still required to wear a mask, health officials acknowledge it's on the honor system. But Sullivan is asking his employees to abide by the rules.
We have a lot of younger people that we've been kind of pushing along to get vaccinated, even incentivizing with PTO time and cash bonuses.
At the Yatson College, meantime, the bright yellow "You need a mask" sign still up late Tuesday morning, with customers continuing to abide. It turns out the owner didn't know the mask mandate had been lifted until he heard from us. How's that feel?
Good, that feels good. I had to stay on my face for a long time.
Jim Vuskovich didn't waste time removing a sign.
You know, people, I can just see people don't want to do this anymore, People are tired of it.
Even though he took down the mask sign, he knows that some employees and even customers will continue to wear one, and that's perfectly fine. But at other places like the Speedway Salon, masks are still required. The owner posted updates on social media to make sure patrons know why.
And then even though that we are spaced out in the stations, your service provider is going to be pretty close in contact with you.
Salon owner Corey Ritter says she's not sure when things will change, but feels it's the right decision for right now.
What we're doing is just trying to protect our employees and our patrons the best that we can. So we're just kind of navigating it week by week.
So we want to let you know that there are some places here in Marion County where you will still need to wear a mask regardless of whether you've been vaccinated. Masks are still required at hospitals and on public transportation, and that includes flying from Indianapolis International. The TSA extended that mask mandate until September 13th.
And one of those places also happens to be the Children's Museum. Right now, they're reviewing their mask mandate and their current policy. They hope to make some changes to it soon. The museum also plans to bring back a lot of its interactive experiences for its guests over the next 3 weeks. So we can look forward to that. Well, we learned today that Pfizer is now opening its COVID vaccine trials to our youngest kids, those between the ages of 6 months up to 11.
Yeah, the company plans to enroll 4,500 children around the world. So we're talking about kids from the U.S., Finland, Poland, and Spain. Those kids will all get 2 shots of smaller vaccine doses. Now, right now, Pfizer is the only vaccine approved here in the U.S. for kids as young as 12. Moderna is also testing its vaccine in kids as young as 6 months old. It hopes to have its vaccine approved for kids ages 5 and up by early fall.
And in China, they're planning to soon vaccinate children as young as 3 years old against COVID-19.
China is the first country to say it's ready to make that kind of move. A private biotech company says Chinese authorities recently approved its vaccine for emergency use in kids and teens.
No word yet on when they're going to start offering those shots. The company said it depends on the supply and the health commission there.